Now that Eggbert is in the workshop and the engine has been removed, it's time to move on to the chassis. The bodywork attaches with 18 bolts to the Beetle's nearly flat platform chassis, featuring a central structural tunnel. Whilst the tunnel looks solid, the floor pans both need replacing. As Egbert's heater channels are non-existent, we need to first brace the body to make sure it doesn't bend or twist when we remove it from the chassis. If we don't do this now, it'll be very difficult to line everything up, especially the doors. Meanwhile, because the engine was seized, there's a good chance it needed some serious work to get it running again, so we stripped it down early on in the project in case any parts needed to be sent off for machining. Luckily, once we got the rusty barrels and pistons off, the crank moved freely and there was very little end float, which was brilliant news. We continued to strip the block down to give it a good clean, a fresh set of bearings and a few little upgrades.